98, 99, 100. I'm not on that new year, new me thing. I do 100 press ups daily just to keep warm, you know. That's what I do every morning, 100 press ups. No, I don't really. It was just for show. But yeah, this office is cold. It's freezing. In the summer, it's too hot. But in the winter months, it is actually really cold. And like anybody, my electric bill has gone through the roof. So we need to figure out a way to stop that. Right then, underneath my office, we're going to use this Kingspan, 50mm. The lads are going to crack on with that. They're also then going to plasterboard it, and then we're going to plaster it. But underneath the admin office, I'm not going to bother plasterboarding it just yet, because I just want all this side doing, because this part that you can see here is part of the showroom. So that's going to be done. Hopefully it'll make it a little bit warmer, because this floor is actually, well, it's a concrete slab, and it's just absolutely freezing. It's actually warmer outside, so, which is really weird. But the lads are going to crack on with that, and I'm going to get on with some work. So, we are underneath the admin office. As you can see, the Kingspan has been put in. It actually makes it feel a lot like the ceilings come down, like it's lower. So that's all been done. The jury's out whether it's warmer yet or not. And here we are with the finished product. It's going to get a bit dark under here. So it's all been plastered. It's not been painted yet. But yeah, I've had that wall done as well, just behind me here. I've had the ceiling done. So it's all been done. Now, I've been off ill due to COVID, so I've got no footage of it all being plastered or anything like that. I was off for a week, not very well at all, but I'm back now. And yeah, so now with that being done, we can now get it painted. That's the next step for me. I'm going to get that painted. I've got a spray gun, which is going to make it a lot quicker and easier. That's what I did with the offices upstairs. Going to get on with that. Then the flooring can go down, because obviously I don't want to put the flooring down until it's painted, because it's just going to get all over new flooring, and it's going to cost me quite a bit to get the flooring done. So don't want to ruin it. That's done. And then yeah, that's the end of this video. So just a quick one. I hope you like, subscribe. It really helps the channel. We are currently on 472 subscribers. The aim is to get to 1,000 by the end of this year, which I think is doable. This time last year we was on like 46. So share with your mates, your friends. I really appreciate it. I am going to crack on, because I've got loads of work to do, and I will see you in the next one, hopefully. Like and subscribe.